Everyone talks about artificial intelligence, but have you ever wondered, how does it actually work? How can a machine learn, think, or even make decisions like a human being? Today, we'll break it down step by step, in simple terms, so you can finally understand what's really happening behind the screen. Welcome to Sky Media, where we explore the future of technology and how it's changing our world. What is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply a system designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. That includes recognizing speech, understanding language, identifying images, and even making decisions. Think about it like this. Humans learn through experience. We see, listen, and remember, then use that knowledge to make choices. AI does something very similar. But instead of learning from life, it learns from data. Millions of examples, numbers, and patterns fed into a computer. That's how virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and ChatGPT can understand what you say. Or how self-driving cars recognize people, traffic lights, and road signs. The reality and the future. So, does AI really think like us? Not exactly. AI doesn't have consciousness or emotions. It's powerful at recognizing patterns, but it doesn't truly understand the world the way we do. Still, it's transforming everything: healthcare, education, transportation, and even art. Every time you use your phone's camera, type a message, or get a song recommendation, AI is quietly working in the background. And the more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. The future belongs to those who understand how this technology works, not just use it.
Thanks for watching Sky Media. If this video helped you understand artificial intelligence a little better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious and stay ahead of the future.